Okra. Seems pretty ordinary, like that quiet kid in class, right? Well, I ate it every single day for months. And what happened? My body had some genuinely surprising reactions, especially with my blood sugar and digestion. The changes were honestly like discovering that quiet kid was a superhero. Honestly, I wasn't expecting miracles. I went into this okra experiment a bit like a hesitant swimmer dipping a toe in the water, maybe hoping for small improvements. But the actual results? It felt like a game changer for my well-being, especially with my nagging blood sugar swings, which felt like being on a hormonal teenager's emotional roller coaster, and digestive issues that made my stomach feel like a grumpy old man. Before okra, my days were a roller coaster, especially my energy. I was always worried about blood sugar, trying to avoid those post-meal crashes that left me foggy and drained, like a car running out of gas mid-journey. No matter how healthy I ate, things felt off, and afternoons were a low-energy zone as if someone pulled the plug on my power supply. And my digestion? Let's just say it was a constant battle, like trying to navigate a traffic jam in my gut. Bloating after nearly every meal was my unwelcome norm. Regularity was a distant dream, and my gut just felt sluggish, like an old, unwilling donkey. I tried so many things, but nothing stuck. It was frustrating, and I'd almost accepted it as my normal. So, why okra? I'd heard about its potential, especially its fiber and how it's traditionally used for blood sugar, almost like an ancient secret weapon. Honestly, I wasn't expecting a miracle. My thinking was, it's a vegetable, can't hurt, right? I hoped it might help my digestion a bit, like a gentle nudge to a stuck wheel and maybe, just maybe, ease those blood sugar spikes. So I committed, every single day. Sometimes steamed, sometimes in stews or sautéed. I even tried okra water, soaking sliced okra overnight and drinking the water. Some research suggests this could be good too. Consistency was key, like practicing scales to master an instrument. It wasn't always exciting to prep, but I stuck with it for months. The first few weeks, not much, but then things slowly started changing, like a sunrise gradually lighting up the sky. My afternoons weren't energy black holes anymore. I just felt more balanced, like a well-tuned engine. The really amazing part was my blood sugar. Now, this is my experience, and please talk to your doctor, but I saw my levels become way more stable. Those post-meal spikes and crashes, less often, less intense. It was shocking that a simple vegetable could make such a difference, like finding out a common garden plant was actually a powerful herb. Research does show okra's fiber and compounds can help with blood sugar. And then, the digestion, wow, that constant bloating? Way down. I felt lighter, more comfortable after eating, as if my internal plumbing got a super efficient upgrade. Regularity? Not a problem anymore. My whole system felt calmer, more efficient. Makes sense when you look at okra packed with fiber and that soothing mucilage which acts like a gentle broom for your insides. This wasn't a small tweak, it was a huge improvement to my daily life. Besides blood sugar and digestion, there were other perks. My skin started looking clearer, maybe thanks to okra's antioxidants like vitamins A and C, acting like tiny bodyguards against damage. I also had more consistent energy all day, probably from the better digestion and stable blood sugar working together like a well-rehearsed orchestra. My body just felt like it was getting what it needed. So what's the science behind okra? No magic, just biochemistry. Okra is a nutritional champ, low-cal, high-nutrient. Its high fiber, especially soluble fiber like pectin and that gel-like mucilage, is key. This mucilage can bind to cholesterol and helps food move smoothly, like a natural lubricant for your digestive tract. Plus, the fiber slows sugar absorption, helping stabilize blood glucose, kind of like a slow-release fuel source instead of a quick burn. Okra is also loaded with antioxidants and polyphenols, great for heart health and fighting inflammation. Pretty cool, right? Like having a tiny edible superhero on your plate. Eating okra daily for months was a real eye-opener. The changes to my blood sugar and digestion blew my expectations out of the water, like expecting a gentle stream and getting a powerful river. It just shows the power of simple, whole foods. For me, okra went from an occasional veg to a dietary staple. The biggest surprise wasn't just that it helped, but how much it helped. I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried adding okra to your diet regularly? What happened? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. and consider subscribing for more health explorations.